Following up on our previous Liquid ETH staking tutorial with Lido, here's a step-by-step guide of how you can do the same with Frax Finance. In case you missed the memo, Frax Finance has been busy shipping various products beyond their Frax stablecoin, including ETH liquid staking. Here's how you can start earning yield with Frax Finance's staked frxETH token. As usual, you'll need a Web3 wallet to begin, and we'll be using trusty old MetaMask for this video. If you don't already have that installed, check out our tutorial on it, then continue to fund your wallet with some ETH. Now head over to app.frax.finance, and as always, double check that you're on their official, legitimate website. And on the left side menu, click on frxETH. Connect your wallet and switch your network to the ETH mainnet if you're not already on it. Then, under the Mint tab, key in the amount of ETH you want to convert into frxETH. Do note that frxETH is a stablecoin loosely pegged to the value of ETH, so it doesn't accrue staking rewards. But more on this later. There are no protocol fees for swapping ETH into frxETH, so you'll only need to pay for network gas fees. Speaking of which, as you're doing this on the ETH mainnet, be mindful of when congestion usually happens, which can cause gas prices to spike. After you key in your desired stake amount, you'll have the option to either mint and stake or simply mint only. Make sure to leave enough ETH in your wallet to cover the gas fees. Assuming you're here to earn staking rewards on your ETH, click on Mint and Stake, and you're done. Easy. If you want to unstake your sfrxETH, head over to the Stake Unstake tab. Here, you can manually convert frxETH into sfrxETH or unstake any sfrxETH that you're currently holding. Again, be mindful of gas fees here. You can also see some stats under this tab at the top here with the numbers on the supply of sfrxETH, and of course, the most important point for most of you, the estimated sfrxETH APR, which currently stands at 4.81%. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. You can track your sfrxETH earnings over time on the Rewards tab, which can be redeemed when you convert sfrxETH back to frxETH. To clear up any possible confusions and misconceptions, frxETH is similar to WETH. It's a stablecoin loosely pegged to the value of ETH and does not accrue any staking rewards. frxETH can be used in DeFi yield farming strategies, such as by depositing it into curve pools to earn trading fees and curve protocol incentives. It's the staked version of frxETH, that is sfrxETH, that earns yield. The yield distributed to sfrxETH holders comes from the profit generated from frxETH validators, which includes staking rewards, transaction fees, and MEV profits. This also means that the less frxETH is staked as sfrxETH, the higher the rewards channeled to sfrxETH holders. The exchange rate of frxETH per sfrxETH increases over time as staking rewards are added to the vault. Therefore, holding sfrxETH entitles you to a certain percent claim on an increasing amount of the vault's frxETH. There you have it, your beginner's guide to Frax liquid ETH staking. If you want to learn about the other top liquid staking platforms, be sure to check out our previous video on that right here.